Small. Today we're doing something really fun. We're actually going to go see a car that's very similar to mine. However, there is one big difference that should make today really interesting. So, what is it? Well, we're actually going to be reviewing a BMW 2 Series. However, it has half the engine of mine. More on that later. However, we've got to drive a good 45 minutes to get there. So, let's get started. So, we actually had to drive up to Braintree to see this beast, so I guess it's time to reveal this absolute weapon. Let's go. This 218i. Even though it's a 218i, there is some special sauce that makes it sound amazing. So, as you can probably tell, it's raining, so we're going to try and hurry this up as much as we can because we're all drenched. Yeah, I could have picked a better day to do something like this, but oh well. All right, guys, so I'm here with...
It's AJ, also known as that LOUDEST22 on TikTok. The most hated 2 Series on TikTok.
But yeah, I mean, this is only a 218i, but it's pretty sick.
Yeah.
You've done everything you possibly can do, like, apart from the wheels.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got to start from the front then, I suppose.
All
So,
right, cool.
Splitter, you said it was Maxton, right?
So this is Maxton. These are some eBay canals that me and my dad had to cut off because it wouldn't fit with the splitter. And don't look too closely, but underneath we've got some wrap underneath just because it would show the white. These came with the car when I bought it. The white M-style mirror caps, sequential indicators. On the side we've got the M Performance side skirt decals. Yeah. I'm not putting the M Performance sticker on because it's not an M car.
As you can probably tell from the back, there's a bit of special sauce going on there. That F1 brake light actually looks good. Like I see on other cars, it just looks. It's like they stick them on, but that is actually the diffuser's made for it, isn't it?
It was made with the diffuser. Yeah.
It looks well good. Yeah.
It's not tacky.
Yeah.
I mean, it can look tacky, and it's got 2 layers of tint on. Because I got pulled over for it being too bright. They thought it was a fog. Yeah, they thought it was a fog light. I think that's everything I've done exterior wise. Interior wise, just a car face screen.
Oh yeah, we can have a look at that. Yeah. I mean, let's look at the engine first.
We have to.
Right. Yeah. Small.
All right. Size isn't everything, mate.
All right. Yeah. Okay.
But
right. Well, this is a what engine is it?
It's a B38.
B38. What year is it actually?
2016.
Well, this is a B38. But because actually, you know what? One thing I do envy is probably reliability. I bet it's good.
Yeah. I've not had a. Oh wait, let me find some wood. Touch wood. No diddy. This has been reliable engine wise. So
right. So I mean, you said that what 55 mpg?
But yeah, about between 52 55 on the motorway.
I mean, how much brake?
Huh? What was that?
How much brake horsepower does this
I don't speak English, mate. Sorry.
You don't? No. Okay.
No.
Well.
Okay. BMW say 136. It's obviously they lie, so about 140-ish. And then I've got weight savings in my exhaust, so I'm going to claim 345.
As I said, this is some special sauce, so I guess we got to show it.
Yeah. Why not?
All right, guys, this is it. This is what you've been waiting for. This is the most insane exhaust on a 3-cylinder I've ever heard. Alright, and now for the revs. Get ready to hear some beautiful 3-cylinder noise.
This is a custom system done by DKU Performance in Coventry. Basically, I went to them and was like, look, it sounds from stock, so like a little vacuum, needs some sound, needs to look good, so they were like, cool, we've got you. So it's a full res delete, that's including the front box as well, gone. Back box delete as well, so it's got a 240i conversion, and then you've got single to dual exit, Akrapovic tips, back to carbon fiber style to match the diffuser. Yeah, you've got 2 of those either side, so that's why I get all the fake M2 comments. But fuck it, man, it looks fit. Do you know what I mean?
I guess the only thing is, you got to show us how you drive it, yeah? Right, little pull. It's so loud. Oh my god.
It pulls though.
What was that?
Manual is so much better, man.
So sick. Oh, honestly, I'd do anything to have this my car sounding like this.
It's worth it, bro. I swear.
I think you've just convinced me. Honestly. Yeah, this is insane. Oh my god. Is that the overrun noise?
Yeah.
That's so sick.
Guys, he's already gone through his seatbelt.
Literally. Holy shit, bro, you're ragging this. Yeah, that's insane. You know, you're a good driver as well. Now we've experienced the 3-cylinder, we thought we'd get AJ to experience the big boy 6-cylinder.
Oh my. Oh my god. I don't know what happened there. Yo. Are you dizzy?
Right guys, that is the end of today's video, and mate, I just want to say, we've already said off camera a million times, but his car's insane. Massive shout out to that LOUDEST F22 on Instagram. I'm going to post his Instagram, his TikTok, all that, it'll all be in the description on the screen now.
Drop me some hate, guys, drop me some hate.
Yeah, actually, we might be the 2 most hated 2 series on TikTok, so.
I had to link up then, innit?
had to. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to watch me putting on the yellow DRLs, and yeah, if you don't want to watch that, see you guys later. Goodbye guys.